Hello everyone, welcome to Raaonline.co.in. In this video, I'll be showing you the aortic dissection on TE. Now, TE is a very important tool in the diagnosis and management of a patient who has had a dissection. If a patient with a suspected aortic dissection presents to the emergency and he is quite unstable and has to be rushed to the OT, the diagnosis can be made on TE. So it's quite important that the anesthetist knows how to diagnose an aortic dissection on TE. You should be able to identify the true lumen, the false lumen, the point of entry, and any associated valvular abnormalities with the dissection. Now here you have a descending aorta short axis view or descending thoracic aorta short axis view, where you can see the flap which is pulsating with systole and diastole. There will be two lumens, a true lumen and a false lumen. The one which expands and collapses with diastole is the true lumen. It's usually pulsatile compared to the false lumen. Let's take a look at the video. So as you can see, there's a true lumen and a false lumen. The one below is the true lumen